Jai Hind students, dear students, today we are going to discuss about the kinetic theory of the matter. Matter means the substance which will occupy the space, have the mass and perceived by our physical sense, that is said to be the matter. Once again, matter can be anything which will occupy the space, have the mass and can be perceived by our physical sense. For example, suppose this is the marker. So this have the mass, it can be perceived by our physical sense and it can follow by the gravitational force and it will occupy the space. It can occupy the space now. So this is the example of the matter. We are the matter. These are all the living things, living and non-living things which can be perceived by our physical sense. These all are said to be the matter. These all will come under the example of the matter. Okay. Now that is the another matter. Here, kinetic theory of the matter. Kinetic means movement. Generally, this theory giving the whole everything means whole information about the matter. Okay. So, dear students, all the matters are made up by the tiny particle that is said to be the atom or molecule. Atom or molecule. Understood? Means whatever you are knowing about the matter, you can tell under this topic. Just now I told that all the matter is made up by the small particle, small teeny particle that is said to be the atom or molecule. This is the first statement of the kinetic theory of the gases. Now, this matter can be solid, liquid and gas. At the room temperature, it exists in three different forms: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. But this is only at the room temperature. Two more state of the matter is present, that is said to be the plasma. Fifth one is the Bose-Einstein condensate. Plasma which occur at extremely high temperature, where these atoms will be in the ionic state. You are going to, suppose you have the matter, means any element, you are going to give the heat to that element, that is solid. So solid will convert into liquid, liquid will convert into the gas. Again you are going more and more amount of heat continuously. Then what will happen? That gas will, the gas molecules will exist in the high kinetic energy. Again the particles, the atoms of that gas molecule will ionize and it will convert into the ionic form. That ionic form of the atom is said to be the plasma. It is very unstable state in which the atoms are present in the ionic form, that is gaseous ionic form, isolated gaseous ion. And one more state, that is Bose-Einstein condensate. Actually what happened, suppose you have the matter, you are going to cool that, you are going to decrease the temperature of that matter and you are decreasing continuously the temperature. So what will happen at very low temperature, the kinetic energy of the the kinetic energy of the matter will be zero. There will be no any kinetic energy, vibrational energy, rotational energy for that matter. That is said to be the fifth state of the matter, means Bose-Einstein condensate. At that state there will be minimum energy of the matter. Okay, it is up to 0 Kelvin temperature, which is not possible. Our scientist decreases the temperature near about 15 Kelvin temperature. 0 Kelvin temperature is not possible, but we can consider that at the 0 Kelvin temperature, what will happen? At the 0 Kelvin temperature, the molecule will be in the completely rest. that is the Bose-Einstein condensate of the matter. Now, all the matter, according to the kinetic theory of the gases, all the matter is made up by the tiny particle that is said to be the atom or molecule. So, in between the molecules, some attraction is there. That force of attraction is said to be the intermolecular force of attraction. And if this attraction will occur in same kind of molecules, then it is said to be the cohesive force of attraction. If different kinds of molecules, then it is said to be the adhesive force of attraction. During next postulate, next point of the kinetic theory, during the moment, means the molecules or atom of the matter have zigzag movement. They are continuously in the motion, except solid. They are in the motion due to their kinetic energy. And the kinetic energy of the molecule or atom, that is matter, is directly proportional to the temperature. More temperature, more kinetic energy. Means if you will increase the temperature, then what will happen? Kinetic energy will increase. If you will increase the temperature, then kinetic energy will increase and force of attraction between the molecule will decrease and intermolecular space will increase. Okay? This is clear, my dear? Any confusion? Now, everything I told down. If we will discuss about the motion, that is kinetic energy, then gaseous species have the maximum kinetic energy due to least intermolecular force of attraction, and solid have the maximum force of attraction. That is why solid particles are very closely packed, and here molecule cannot move, but the solid particles can vibrate at their mean position, whereas liquid have the some movement but less than the gaseous species. Solid cannot diffuse, but liquid and gases both can show the diffusion, in which gases have the maximum diffusion due to their least intermolecular force of attraction, that is their more kinetic energy. If we will discuss about the density, then density is directly proportional to the intermolecular force of attraction. Since solid have more attraction, so more density. Liquid has less density as compared to the solid, and gases have least density. Solid particle have so many free surface, but liquid have only one upper free surface, but gas have no any free surface. Okay, so this is the whole information about the kinetic theory of the gases and matter, also classification of the matter, different state of the matter. So please do the revision and prepare for the exam. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.